How to delete stickers on Snapchat permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So simply launch a Snapchat application first of all, and go ahead and open the camera page of Snapchat, and let's take a blank snap here. After that, on the right side you will see different icons. Simply you have to choose the sticker icon. After that, you will simply find the seizure icon at top right corner, which is next to the smiley icon. And here you will see all your stickers that you have created on a Snapchat. To delete these stickers on a Snapchat permanently, simply tap and hold on the sticker. And here you will get delete option at bottom of the screen. Tap delete and this sticker will be permanently deleted from your Snapchat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.